Want to give your iPhone a personal touch? Whether it's a family memory, a vacation highlight, or your pet doing something adorable, you can set any photo as your wallpaper in just a few quick steps. Here's how to do it on your iPhone running iOS 26. Start by swiping up from the bottom of the screen to go back to your home screen. Now open the Photos app and scroll through your images to find one you love. Once you've picked the perfect photo, tap the Share icon in the bottom left corner. In the Share sheet, scroll down and tap Use as Wallpaper. Right away, you'll see a lock screen preview. Here, you can pinch to zoom, move the image, and apply color filters if you want to change the vibe of the photo. Want to take customization further? Tap the clock to change the font and color. It's a subtle touch that can really elevate the look. You can even add lock screen widgets like your calendar, weather, or battery status. Super handy if you want quick info at a glance. Once everything looks good, tap Add at the top of the screen. Now you'll be asked if you want to set as wallpaper pair, which applies the image to both lock and home screens, or customize home screens separately. If you go with customization, you can remove the blur, choose a color gradient, or select a solid color to go behind your app icons for a cleaner look. When you're happy with the setup, just tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it. Your selected photo is now beautifully set as your new wallpaper, making your iPhone feel even more personal. If this guide helped you create a look you love, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips that help you get the most out of your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.